Welcome, beautiful people, to my channel. It's another bright and sunny day where we get to tour properties in Lagos. And today, I'm right here in Harris Drive, inside an estate in Harris Drive. Harris Drive is just by VGC. And we would be starting our inspection with this stunning home that just came into the market. So this one is as it is hot. Immediately I saw it, I had to rush down here to give you people updates on this property. And it is a stunning 5-bedroom fully detached duplex with a swimming pool, a BQ, spacious rooms, kitchen, fully fitted kitchen with all of the amenities you need to live comfortably. And I really love this estate. They have good drainage system, so you can be sure that there's nothing like flooding here. And they are very strict with security. I mean, I know what it took me to get into this estate this morning, so they are they do not compromise on security. Now let's go closer so you get to have a better view of the property. Now, the compound is spacious enough to take up to 3 cars. It is in the market for 500 million naira. We can do a slight negotiation. When you give us a call, tell us your offer. We'll see if that's something we can work with. And it has a title of governor's consent, also has its building approval. Now, in a couple of seconds, I will flip this camera and you know how we do to go inside, have a detailed video, a detailed tour of the property. I would not just show you the interior, but I'll give you a 360 view of the neighborhood so you get to see it is habitable, and then we'll move around the compound so you also get to see the surrounding. The essence of this is so that irrespective of where you are, you get to see the property I'm showing you in its complete form. Now, before we do that, if this is your first time coming across my channel, welcome. It is such a delight to grace your screen today. My name is Victoria Chizobaduraku, and I'm so honored to have you here. Now, I have such a beautiful family here on YouTube that we're growing together, and I would really love to have you as part of that family. So all I'm saying in essence is that I do not just want you to watch this video and leave. No, please hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you get notified every time I post a video here. Now, also, just in case this is either above your budget or below your budget, or you want a different kind of property, either a land or something you can pay instrumentally for like up to 1 year, we have them at different locations. Just give us a call on the number displayed on your screen and we'll get to talk about that. Now, having said all that I have said, please be my guest as I flip this camera and we tour this property together while I give you more information about it. Come along. So welcome back, beautiful people. Now this right here is the unit we would be inspecting, but let me just give you a 360 view of the neighborhood before we get started. I told you they have good drainage system here, so it is not prone to flooding. And then the road is interlocked all the way down to the entrance of the estate, and that's the entrance of the estate. And that's one good thing about the property. You see, it's not the one that is all the way down the estate. You see, that's just the entrance, and this right here is where we have the property. So it is very close to the entrance of the estate. And also the Lekki Expressway from where this property is located is not even up to a 4 minutes drive, like a 2 minutes drive from here. Yes, so it is very accessible. Okay, now we have just 1, 2, 3, 4 units, but out of that 4 units, one has been sold already. I can't even guarantee you if all 3 units are available because I know the number of people that came here just these few minutes have been here. So if you love what you see at the end of this video, give us a call immediately. Now, first of all, see what the compound space looks like. We'll move around the compound before we go inside. All right, now this is what the compound space looks like from here. And I told you that you can park up to 3 cars conveniently in this house. 2 cars can fit in here and 1 car can fit in there. If you're a very good driver, you can even park up to 4 cars. All right, so this is the full size of it. And here's a better view of what the structure of the house looks like. Now let's move around the compound before we go inside. Let's start from here. Now you can see the walkway at this angle is quite spacious. 3 people can walk side by side each other at the same time. That's how spacious it is. There's also a tap here. And I also like the fact that there's enough space in between the houses. You can see it's even more spacious than what you're seeing right now. So you can be sure of proper ventilation here. All right, so let's explore. at this angle is where we have the swimming pool. And I also like the fact that there's enough space to walk around the swimming pool. It's not all of the swimming pool that you'll not even have space to move around. You see, there's space to move around. There's also a water fountain at the swimming pool, and you still have all of this space, so you can literally turn this place into a lounge, you know. I love this design at this angle of the house. This design they use. Kudos to the developer. All right, we also have security lights around the house, as you can see. Okay, so let's move. Let's move. Oh, and then the size of the swimming pool. Let me show you the size of it from here. So you see it is not those very small ones. The size is spacious enough. You see? Okay. All right. Now this is the back of the house. Also spacious with security lights. You see where I'm standing. I still have all of this space. Okay. There's a CCTV camera right here. There's a CCTV camera right here. And this is the BQ. We're not going into the BQ because the custodian of the house, his belongings are inside the BQ. So I do not want to invade his privacy. But definitely when you come for inspection, we'll show you the BQ. So we have CCTV cameras here. Okay, this is the door that gives you access to the kitchen. Also another tap here. Also spacious walkway. Now there's also a CCTV camera right here. I didn't show you that initially. Okay. All right. Now let's go in. We have motion sensor lights just at the entrance, the staircase by the entrance. And then the door has a smart lock. So if you don't want to use the manual key, you can just put a code on it to see it has a smart lock. All right, so let's begin to explore the living area. First off, at this angle, what do we have here? We have the guest toilet right here, spacious enough as you can see. And then right beside it, we have the guest room. And then this right here is the full size of the guest room. You see, it is also spacious, wardrobe, and then the toilet and bath. 500 million naira, and this house is all yours. You can have a slight reduction on the price, like I said earlier, just a slight reduction. Okay, let's keep exploring. And you can see we have these devices here for your inbuilt speaker and all of that. All right, so let's see the living area. Okay, so let's see the living area, the size of it. This angle right here. This is the full size of it. It is super spacious. I don't think my phone is even capturing everything. You see, it is super, super spacious. Let me also show you from this angle. Right here is where you have your wine section just underneath the staircase here. So let me also show you from this angle right here. This is a really beautiful house. If you're big on space, you should be buying this house. And I really love this design by the wall right here. I love what the developer did in this house. He did a really good job with this house, even down to the finishing of this house. Take a look at this beautiful chandelier. And then we have this automated fireplace right here. Just take a look. Picture yourself in this house. Picture yourself in this house. Now, right by it, we have the TV console, just where we have the automated fireplace and this floor to ceiling slab right here. You see, there are inbuilt speakers up there as well. And then right at this angle is where you can have your dining area just by the kitchen right here. So you have all of this space right here. Okay, next is the kitchen. And oh my God, I love this house. I really love the space management in this house. Just take a look. Enough space to move around. We still have it all the way down there. Okay, what do we have in the kitchen? We have this kitchen island right at the middle with this sink right here, tabletop gas burner, and extractor. We have a microwave and oven right here. This is designated for your refrigerator. There's a CCTV up there. We have inbuilt speakers right here and quite a number of cabinetries for storage. I mean, you have absolutely no issue with storage living here. And we have this um, charger right here in the kitchen. Okay, and then we have a pantry here for storage. See the size of it, not so small. We have it for storage. You can even fix something here. Also, you can find something to fix in here as well. And this gives you exit out of the kitchen. I'm sure you're loving what you're seeing because I am really loving it. I mean, if I had the money, I would have just bought this house. It's so nice. Okay, so the staircase has a motion sensor light all the way up. And I love the fact that the staircase is spacious enough. Like this is where I'm standing and you still have all of this space. So it means that two people can walk side by side each other right on this staircase. So it's not very choked up. And you can tell that they use quality tiles for it, quality materials. Okay, we're up here now. And first off, let's see this room before we see the lounge and the other rooms. We've seen one room downstairs, so this is the second room we are inspecting. And take a look at the size of this room. Super spacious from the living area down to the visitor's toilet, down to the guest room, down to the kitchen, and down to the rooms. You can agree with me that this is quite a spacious house. Now, for those who do not know where Harris Drive is just beside VGC. So if you're coming from the Lekki axis, um, after Chevron, you get to Orchid. After Orchid is Ikota. After Ikota, you get to VGC. And this is just before VGC, just beside VGC. This is room. Okay, this is the master's. I want the master's bedroom to be the last thing I'll show you. So let's see the family lounge first. All right, so this is the family lounge. You know how they say save the best for the last. That's why I want to see the master's bedroom last. So this is the size of the family lounge right here. Has a TV console as you can see in the speaker up here. And then there's also a balcony just by the family lounge so you can be sure of ventilation right here. So we've seen two rooms. This is room number three right here. Room number three, 500 million naira, and you can grab this house. Remember, limited units available. Give us a call before it gets sold out. This property just came into the market, and like I said, within these few minutes I've been here, I know how many people have come to see this property. So that's to tell you that it is a good offer and it might not stay too long in the market. So if you love what you see, start dialing my number right away. And like I said earlier, just in case this is either above your budget or below your budget, we also have other properties we can show you, we can recommend to you. This is room number four. We can recommend other properties. We also have landed properties selling. We have commercial properties if you want to shop, you want properties you can pay instrumentally for up to 1 year. We have them at different locations. Just give us a call and tell us what you want. Now, take a look at the size of this wardrobe area. Now, remember, this is definitely not the master's bedroom. It is just one of the basic rooms. And see the size of the wardrobe area. You don't get to see this massive wardrobe in the basic rooms, but you're getting it here. Now, we've seen four rooms. Let's see the master's bedroom and let's call it a day. All right. See the view from here. I didn't get to show you this. This is a really neat house. I mean, it's not one of those houses that you're inspecting and you're seeing dirt here and there, stains on the wall, um, finishing not so neat. Not That's not the case for here. The finishing is very neat. I'm so impressed at what the developer did here. Now this is the full size of the master's bedroom right here. This is the full size of it. And then right over here, you have the TV console right here. We have inbuilt speakers right here. We have a balcony right here. We have a balcony right here. So you can be sure of proper ventilation. And over here is where we have the wardrobe area for the master's bedroom. Just take a look at it in this angle. And here's another view from here. Okay. And then the toilet and bath. Okay, so they still have just a little finishing to be done here. That's why we have this mess here, but it's just a very minor thing. So this is what the size of the toilet and bath. And we have this bathtub right here. We have this water heater. We have the WC to this angle right here. And we have the walk-in shower right here. And then we have this wash hand basin right here, and this mirror. Let's see if it changes color. Oh yes, it does. All right, so this is what we have to show you today. I am sure you love what you just saw. Give us a call today for further inquiries. Do not miss out on this property. And also, please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do that. I would really love to have you here as part of the amazing family that I have right here on YouTube. And if you watch this video to this point, you can literally tell I'm happy because I am smiling right now, and it's all thanks to you. Thank you for sticking with me till the end of this video. Till I come your way next time. My name is Victoria. Have a great day. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, stay amazing, and I'll see you in my next video. It has been such a pleasure gracing your screen today. Thank you for watching, and bye.